Hi, this is Tobo with Topic Trading. Today it's Monday, the 4th of September, and I really hope you guys had a great weekend, or actually an extended weekend for you guys in the States with the Labor Day bank holiday today. It's been a while for me since I had my last video here on our channel, but I'm glad to be back, and I'm really looking forward to share this video with you. So the plan now is to have a weekly preview, both by reviewing the daily chart, which I have in front of us right here, and also to have a look at what coming news events that we might have to keep in mind. So, starting off with the daily chart, as you know, we trade the ES mini future, and right here is the daily. So one bar is 1 day, and we can see that we have an overview here from back from October last year to now, so almost a year of time. And as you know, if you have been trading, the last couple of months have really been up, with some correction now for the last couple of weeks, or actually last month. Correction started in the beginning of August. It's hard to say if the correction here is over. It looks like one leg down with two legs up, back up, 1, 2, which could be the center of a pattern here. So we could see a second leg down or correction before we continue up. Most likely, you never know, but it seems like this is a solid uptrend. So it's likely that this will get retested to the high. Question is more when, I would say. Going back, looking at the beginning of this year, we were really sideways in this range here. We could see that we had a pretty healthy range going from the top to the bottom, to the top, to the bottom. And then for the last part of it here, we couldn't really even get back to the midline, which tells us that there is more bullish mode here coming up, and we could see that after this we actually broke through that resistance. But resistance lines are often tested, but we never came back and tested this level right here at 4,256. And what is kind of interesting now with the break of this uptrend, if we measure this leg here of correction, and let's say if we would turn down here for a second leg down or correction, that measured move actually put us right back at the former resistance line that we broke through but never came back to test. So that fits and add up pretty well, but you never know. It's often the larger pattern that prevails in the end. So it could be that we will just continue upwards with this strong uptrend. Last days here, we can also see that we had 1, 2, 3, 4 bull candles. So it looks like that we have more pressure right now to the upside, and that we will continue up to retest the highs. But we will see, simply. You shouldn't really trade what you think will happen. You should only trade what you have in front of you and what you see at the moment. What's also interesting with measured moves, if we go back to the previous range and measure the height of the range, then from the top, you can see also here that we actually had almost a perfect move of the range, the width of the range to the upside. So prices always moves in two. So let's see. Simply, either we just continue up, and the target to the upside is obviously the high of the trend. But if we would correct, could be that we see another leg of the same size to the downside, and then to retest the breakout area or breakout resistance of the previous range. And since, mean, if we also would deal in the Fibonacci, since we just measured the width of the range and had a measure move to the top, the trend high. If we would pull back with the second leg here, that would obviously give us the 50% retracement level. So it all kind of goes hand in hand here. So let's see what happens the coming days. But today, obviously no trading since it's Labor Day and bank holiday. So for today, just relax and take the opportunity to actually think about something else, rest your minds. Looking at the news events for the remainder of the week, Wednesday. So I actually filter here for high impact, which are red, and medium impacts, which are the orange ones. So heads up on Wednesday at 9 a.m. 9 a.m. which is 9 a.m. New York time. So it's this is 30 minutes after open. The ISM services PMI. And since this is a red high impact, potentially high impact event, as you know, be careful around this time. So maybe if you're really conservative, don't trade 30 minutes before or and 30 minutes after this event. Next news event would be Thursday, the unemployment claims, and we quite often see these have a big impact on the price movement. So definitely be careful around this one. And this is actually 1 hour before open, so 7:30 in the morning, New York time. 9 a.m., 30 minutes after open, a medium impact event, FOMC member Harker speaks. You never know with medium impact events, they can cause some volatility as well, but probability is kind of low for that. And Harker isn't as fun as Powell, we can say so, or at least not according to this probability. And then nothing for Friday. Saturday we have the G20 meetings, but we're not training this day anyway, so that really doesn't matter for our sake. So that's it for this week. So as we talked about, just try to relax today and sharpen your mind and head for Tuesday tomorrow, when our work week actually starts for real. With that said, have a good rest of the Monday and good trades to you this week. Take care, everybody. Bye.